Yo guys, welcome back to another vlog. Now as you can hear, my voice is not fully alright yet, but basically I didn't do a vlog yesterday because I had a really bad throat. Literally really hurts and whatnot. It's feeling a lot better today. Yeah, I still find it a little bit hard to talk and stuff like that, so yeah. I just want to quickly go through something with you guys. Now, I said a few months ago that I was going to be starting off a movie, basically a movie for my channel, called The Hunter and the Hunted, and this is the poster for it actually, guys. Here you go. That's the poster for it. And yeah, I'm actually casting roles right now. Casting roles for different people and all that lot for this movie. So yeah, it's gonna be a good film. Anyway guys, I'm gonna talk to you in a sec because my throat is dying right now. It literally just really hurts. So I'll talk to you guys in a sec. We're at Ikea getting some stuff for the office, so I don't know what we're getting, so this is just going around Ikea and stuff on my Subway because I'm lazy. Yo guys, so you might be asking why I went to Ikea earlier today, and basically it's because I needed to go and get some stuff for the office, which we have, and I'm going to quickly show you the office, okay? Look at that. Now I'm going to quickly show you these. Look at these. We've got lighting down there. I'm going to turn off the light to show you. Look at that. That looks awesome. But yeah guys, so pretty cool office. Also another thing, I'm also casting the roles for the movie I'm doing, which is pretty cool. Basically it's going to be out next October, so 2017 October time. It's gonna be awesome. It's called The Hunter and the Hunted. I explained to you earlier. But yeah, if you want to like be casted as a role, just contact me and stuff like that. So yeah, and then guys, I'll see you up in the room. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog now because literally my throat is starting to ache now a bit more, a little bit. I don't know. It's a lot better than it was yesterday. Haven't vlogged much today just because I don't really want to be talking much, just because my throat really hurts. Anyway guys, also another thing, I'm so amazed at the growth of my channel lately. Like, look at this. I'm at 2,916 subs. That is like amazing. Can't believe that. Hopefully I can hit 3,000 subscribers before my 300th vlog. That'd be awesome. And yeah, I'm nearly at 70,000 views on my channel, which is great as well. Anyway guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and peace out.